Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to see Grade 7, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1, question number 1. Find the ratio of the following. Okay. To find out the ratio, the basic criteria for both the quantities given in the question is they have to be of same unit. If not, you will have to convert to same unit and then you will find out the ratio. Okay. So first question. Find the ratio of rupees 5 to 50 pies. Okay. So first quantity is rupees 5 and second one is 50 pies. Okay. So whenever you try to convert from big to small, because while you convert from big to small, you will multiply. Okay. From small to big, if you convert, you will divide, because multiplication is more easy than dividing the numbers. Okay, so better convert from bigger quantity to smaller quantity. Okay, now 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. Therefore 5 rupee will be equal to 5 into 100, which is 500 pies. Okay, now for both the quantities are of same unit, so now we'll find out the ratio. So ratio is equal to 500 is to 50. Now ratio should always be in its simplest form only. So you need to simplify the ratio. So to simplify the ratio, you will write the ratio in terms of fraction like this. Okay. So now you divide. Now you simplify. 0, 0 will get cancelled and 5 ones are 5 tens are 50. Therefore, the value will be 10 divided by 1. Okay. Therefore, the ratio is 10 is to 1. Okay. So, we'll be writing down like this. Second question. Find the ratio of 15 kg to 210 gram. So, in the same way, we'll convert. So first quantity is 15 kilogram and second quantity is 210 gram. Okay. So now 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Therefore 15 kilogram will be equal to, you will multiply, right, 15 into 1000, which is equal to 15,000 gram. Okay. So now both the quantities are in terms of gram. So now we will find out the ratio. Ratio is equal to 15,000 is to 210. Okay. So now you need to simplify this ratio. So to simplify, you will write down the ratio as fractions like this. So 15,000 divided by 210. Okay. So now 0, 0 will get cancelled. Now we will divide it by 3. So we will write it like this, 1500 divided by 21. So if you divide it by 3, 3 sevens are 21, 3 fives are 15. So it will be 500. So your answer will be 500 divided by 7. Therefore the ratio is 500 is to 7. Right? So you write the answers like this. Third question. 9 meter to 27 centimeter. Okay. So again we'll write down 9 meter. First quantity is 9 meter. Second quantity is 27 centimeter. So here also we'll convert this meter to centimeter. Okay. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 9 meter is equal to, you will multiply 9 into 100, which is equal to 900 centimeter. Okay. So now both the quantities are in terms of centimeter, right? So now we will find out the ratio. So ratio is equal to 900 is to 27. So now you will convert this ratio to you will simplify this ratio. So you will write it as fraction 900 divided by 27. So we will divide it directly by 9 here. Okay, 9 3s are 27, 9 1s are 9, so it is 100. Therefore the answer will be 100 divided by 3 and the ratio will be 100:3. Okay. So you will write down the answers like this. Next, again 30 days. First quantity is 30 days and second quantity is 36 hours. So again, from bigger quantity we will convert it to smaller quantity. So days we will convert it to hours. Okay. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Right? Therefore 30 days. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Which means for 30 days you will multiply, right? So 30 into 24, which is equal to 720 hours. Okay. So now both the quantities are in terms of hours only. So now we can find out the ratio. Okay. Therefore ratio is equal to 720 is to 36. Okay. Now you need to simplify this ratio. So you will write this as fraction 720 divided by 36. Okay. Now you can divide it by 36. See, 36 ones are 36, 36 twos are 72. So it is 20. Okay. So your answer will be 20 by 1 and the ratio is 20:1. Right? So you will write down the answers like this. Now exercise 8.2, question number 2. In a computer lab, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed for 24 students? This problem we are going to solve using unitary method. Unitary method means, okay, for 6 students the information is given. Okay, so from 6 students you will first find out the value for 1 student. Okay, so whenever you find the value for 1 unit, you will divide. Okay, from 1 you will find out the value, whichever is asked in the question, you will find out the value for that. Now, which is asked in the question? For 24 students, how many computers are needed? So, you will find out the value for 24 students here. Okay. So, from 1, if you find out the value for a higher unit, you will multiply. Okay. So, this is the unitary method. Okay. You will first find out for 1 unit and then for a higher value, you will find out. Okay. So, please write down the statements like this. 6 students need how many computers? Read the question. 6 students need 3 computers. Okay. So, 6 students require 3 computers. As I have already told you, unitary method means, okay, from 6 first you will find out the value for 1 and then you will find out 24. So, for 1 unit if you find out, you will divide. And then for higher unit you find out from 1 you will multiply. Okay. So, 1 student needs your RHS divided by LHS, which is 3 divided by 6 computer. So, 1 student need 3 divided by 6 computer. Okay. So, now we need to find out, now we have found out for one student we have found out. Now, 24 student need how many computers we need to find. As I have already told you, from 1 to higher unit if you find out, you will multiply. Okay. So, 3 by 6 into 24. So, 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. Therefore, the value will be 3 into 4, which is 12 computers. So, you will be writing down the answers like this. Thus, 12 computers will be needed for 24 students. Right? Thank you.